Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video I will explain to you how to use the Mega Air Conditioner remote control. This is the on-off button, and with itself we can turn the air conditioner on and off. In other air conditioners there are separate mode button to change mode. Here there are a separate button for each mode. To switch to cooling mode we press the button with the word cool written on it. A snowflake icon appears on the screen. In this mode, we set the air conditioner temperature to 22-24 degrees Celsius. If you want to reduce the energy consumption of the air conditioner, set the temperature to 24-25 degrees Celsius. Staying in a room with a temperature below 22 degrees for a long time can cause colds. We use the fan button to change the fan speed of the air conditioner. This air conditioner has 4 speeds: auto, low, medium, high. You can choose a low fan speed so that the fan sound of the air conditioner does not disturb you in the bedroom. We press the button with the word heat written on it to switch to the heating mode of the air conditioner. In this case, the sun symbol appears on the screen. In the heating mode, we set the temperature of the air conditioner above the 26 degrees Celsius. If you want to reduce electricity consumption, it is recommended to set it to 26 degrees Celsius. Setting the fan speed of the air conditioner to the auto fan speed mode in this mode makes the air conditioner work more efficiently. Because the fan speed of the air conditioner will be selected by the microprocessor. At the same time, the evaporator of the air conditioner will be covered with snow only when the temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius. To switch to auto fan speed mode, we press the fan button several times, and when movement is seen here, the air conditioner switches to this mode. To switch to drying mode of the air conditioner, we press the dry button. This mode is designed to reduce the humidity in the house. There is a button with the word vent written on it. When this button is pressed, the air conditioner works like a regular fan. The vent button is used to move the air conditioner's blinds or stop it in any position. The clock button is used to set the clock. When this button is pressed, the clock flashes. We use the temperature buttons to set the clock. To set the minus, we need to press the clock button again. After setting the clock, we remove our finger and the clock will stop after flashing several times. After setting the clock, we can use the timer mode. Timer on mode is for tuning on the air conditioner at a desired time, and timer off mode is for turning it off. Thank you for following us until the end.